So let's start, no, ma'am, all of you. So I'll just we have here we have faculties from SCRT, from diet, and we have a group of writers from mathematics textbook, and we have got Anupama ma'am. She is from Azim Premji, who is our mathematics coordinator for textbook. So these are our people out here. So we are around 17 of us here right now. So I'll just take you to this thing. So hi, I think my PC is visible now. My screen is visible to all of you. My laptop.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
visible.
sir.
So first, what I was telling that Chandrai ma'am asked a question. So let us check this PC property. So can you see my PC? I have a blue color mouse here. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we right click on this. So we go to the properties.
सर त्यो एउटा अनलाइनको त्यो अस्ति अस्ति आउँदै थियो नि त्यो पो याद आयो त हाउ क्यान आई सी योर पिसी अन माई पिसी भन्ने
Yes. So can you see my Windows 10 this thing basic information?
यस सर यस सर
Okay, so if you see the first page, you will see Windows 10 single home. So this is what is installed here. So you can understand the system. Processor hamro यहाँ के छ, my processor is i5. So similarly, your all processors will be there. It might be i3, i5, i7.
सर
Then
कहाँबाट जानुभयो सर तपाईँ त्यहाँनिर अलिकति
हजुर,
पिसीबाट कता जानु पर्यो
you okay? Why I thought because now we have all of will be working on the new textbooks. Might be all textbooks. So if you are working from a laptop, we'll be using our textbooks actually, which is right now in the PDF form. So PDF form, what happens is that there are a lot of pages actually. A book might have 130 or 150 pages plus pages will be there. So त्यसलाई स्क्रोल गर्दै हामी अब क्लासमा रेकर्ड गर्नुको लागि चाहिँ जम्मै किताब खोल्दै निकाल्दै टेक्स लट अफ टाइम. So before and what we can do is that we can create a simple PDF page from the existing PDF. अब बुझ्नु हुँदैछ मैले के भन्न चाहेको? Hello.
सर दुःख सुख बुझ्दैछु
Uh, because when we start teaching with the laptop, if we want to record or we are doing a, let us say a live class, so if we have to open a book, so let me open one of our books here. Mm, so I will take EVS class 3 book. So I will do a demo on this. So can you see the book here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a whole book. Now, if you can see, there are 93 pages. Now, let us say I have to take some chapters from our online classes. If I scroll it down here, let us say we have got 13 chapters here. Suppose I want to do a lesson on plants and us. That is chapter 3. Can you see my mouse?
Sir, I have one more question, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Sir, अघि जुन चाहिँ 64 बिट yes sir 64 बिट शो गरे नि सर मेरो ल्यापटपले
हजुर.
but when again when I like downloading no sir download को option मा जुन चाहिँ छ त्यसमा चाहिँ download installer only 32 bit is given not 64.
No, you'll have to choose an option, ma'am. Then तपाईँको ल्यापटप 64 चेक गर्नुभयो 64
option हजुर सर 64 थियो ल्यापटपमा चेक गरे
64
तर यहाँ जुन चाहिँ अप्सन दिएको छ नि सर
हजुर.
तर यहाँ अप्सनमा त छैन नि सर 64.
Okay, ma'am.
Download
I'll come to
installer
that later.
भनेर
Normally,
download
it has
installer
to
32
come automatically. हुन्छ ma'am. We'll come to that later on. Okay. Ma'am, Chandra ma'am. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what I
Hello, sir.
now we have got several chapters here. Suppose I want to teach only this chapter, plant and us. Can you see my cursor here? So what we can do out of this PDF, we can separate this book into different PDFs. तपाईँलाई यो idea छ? Some of you might be knowing this actually. So I'll be repeating for people who are knowing it actually. So I'm just going to that page we have got plant and us. So I'm just scrolling down. Okay, so can you see Plant and Us in this book here? This thing. Any one of you can reply. That's all.
Yes, sir, we can.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now this is in my page number 22. If I go here, so I require only this page number 22, and this chapter. Let me go down here. So page number 22. Can you see the page number 22 here? Because the page number of the book is 40, but our actual page number is 22.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll take this page number 22, not this 40, because this PDF will relate to only this page number 22, which is there in the cursor. So from page number 22, to page number this one, that is 26. So I require only this chapter. So now what I do, I can go to my printer option. So either you go to Control P like this. So can you see here this thing? Printer options.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it will give the list of printers. So one list there is given is Microsoft Print to PDF. Can you see this?
सर अलिकति
Yes, sir.
रिमाइन्ड गरिदिनुहोस् न, यता म पनि गर्दै थिएँ कि अलि मिस भयो सर। पेज नम्बर 22 देखि कस्तो भन्नुभयो सर?
होइन, तपाईँको जुन चाहिँ पेज चाहिन्छ तपाईँको त्यो पेजलाई तपाईँले छान्नु पर्यो पहिला. So in this EVS class 3, I have chosen page number 22 to page number 26. So after that you choose, then you go to this printer option. So print को option, so you can see either you will get it from the file button पाइहाल्नुहुन्छ या त यहाँ कर्सरमा पनि देखाएको छ print. Can you see the printer option here? Can you see the printer here, everyone? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we go.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So here option comes Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay. So when okay, sir. So now you can see print to PDF. Now we go to the pages here. So can you see the pages here? I've clicked on pages. देख्नु हुँदैछ?
Yes, we can see.
Yes, sir. Yes. 1 to 93.
एकदम
Okay.
एकदम.
So now here we can just write 22-26. Because हामीलाई चाहिएको PDF चाहिँ पेज नम्बर 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 plants and us भन्ने chapter हो. So we just type
हजुर.
that.
हजुर.
So once we type on that, okay, so once we print it here, can you see here my page? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So we'll just give this a name, plants and us. Okay, so you can see save as type, it is written as PDF document. Okay, so मेरो यहाँ desktop मा राखेको छु, so I'll just save it in desktop. I'll just put save here. Okay, so I'll just close this. See this thing, plant and us here, separate PDF file.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now we can see we have created one new PDF file actually from. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I hope this step is clear. This is very important because we cannot go through the whole book actually every now and then. So we can separate the chapters, pages like this. Means we are breaking the PDF into different parts. It can be done very easily.
Sir, that means in this way only that chapter is saved.
Sir, can you?
Yeah, that's chapter wise we can take out from each and every book.
Yes,
So
sir.
whatever chapter.
सर त्यो पेजेसमा नम्बर अफ त्यो
सर।
पेजेसमा पेज नम्बर लेखेर प्रिन्ट गर्दा आइहाल्छ सर, त्यो अलिकति मिल्दैन र
Print to PDF, print to PDF मा जानुपर्छ. अप्सन जुन चाहिँ छ नि सर
हजुर
यहाँ देखायो नि अब यसैलाई गर्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ यहाँ प्रिन्ट टु पिडिएफ देख्नु हुँदैछ सर अप्सन
ओके ओके त्यसलाई सेलेक्ट गरेर
हजुर जस्तो प्रिन्टरको नामबाट आउँदैछ यहाँ एप्सन आउँदैछ एप्सन आउँदैछ होइन
हजुर
फ्याक्स आउँदैछ त्यहाँदेखि एउटा प्रिन्ट टु पिडिएफ भन्ने अप्सन देख्नु हुँदैछ सर
यहाँ मेरोमा चाहिँ के आयो भने फ्याक्स माइक्रोसफ्ट एक्सपिएस डकुमेन्ट राइटर सेन्ड टु वन नोट 2013 भन्ने आएको छ यो प्रिन्ट टु भन्ने आएको अप्सन छ
पिडिएफ को कुनै अप्सन आएन सर स्क्यान टु पिडिएफ प्रिन्ट टु
Microsoft
पिडिएफ
Print to PDF.
तीनटा मात्रै आयो सर त्यो फ्याक्स आयो माइक्रोसफ्ट एक्सपिएस डकुमेन्ट राइटर कि त्यो हो कि ए तपाईँकोमा त छ त त्यो
एट भएकोले गर्दा हुन्छ यु क्यान गिभ अ ट्राई अन द्याट सर
ओके 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 फाइन फाइन
सो दिस अ भर्चुअल
That is
प्रिन्टर
the
इट्स नट
Microsoft Print to PDF.
यस यस यस
यस सर
हुन्छ सर हुन्छ ओके सर
ओके सो वन्स यु डु द्याट एन्ड कुन चाहिँ पेज तपाईँलाई चाहिएको छ करेन्ट पेज हो भने करेन्ट पेजमा क्लिक गर्नुहोस् त्यो सिङ्गल पेज मात्रै तपाईँको भइहाल्छ अनि एक्ज्याक्ट पेज नम्बर चाहिन्छ भने पेजेसमा गएर चाहिँ यु जस्ट निड टु क्लिक एन्ड टाइप द पेज नम्बर So I'll just close this. Okay. Now, second part, what I kept in my agenda was that now since we know that we are not able to edit in PDF, no, most of us have a problem. अब मैले यो यसलाई सपोज मैले अनलाइन रेकर्ड मिन्स स्क्रिन रेकर्ड गरेर यो च्याप्टर पढाउनु पर्यो इफ आई हेभ टु टिच दिस च्याप्टर प्लान्ट एनर्स by recording it. So what I have to do is that I should be able to write something on this PDF, mark something on the PDF. So these are very, very important. Okay. So suppose have you planted? Suppose I want to show this thing to my child in this video. So now what we can do here? Can you see on the right side? There's a thing called comment. Okay, so we press
Yes,
on the
sir.
comment here.
Yeah.
So we get so many drawing markups and annotations are there.
कहाँबाट जानुभयो सर
Comment,
त्यसमा?
comment.
अलिकति rewind गर्नुहोस्।
Read the comment.
Comment. Yes, yes.
If you go there, so we see there. So here we can see some text options are there, some markups are there, text callout is there, some arrow is there. Suppose arrow mark garnu छ मलाई यहाँ छ भने I just click on this and I'll just bring this here so I can mark an arrow here wherever I feel like.
Okay.
Suppose मलाई यो नक्सासँग रिलेट गर्नु छ भने I can just okay I'll just take it उल्टा. So I can just run arrow anywhere, wherever I feel like. Okay, so now let's see the first question here. Have you ever planted young trees in your school or at home like the children in the picture? If yes, what did you plant? So if you want to prompt something here, can you see this one box here where my mouse is there? Can you see it?
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
so it's
yes.
written add text call out. So you just click on that and you can just make a mark and you can type on this. We can just write here, children, what do you think? Anything.
Okay.
So these things can be done like this. Is this clear?
Yes.
यो कतिवटा चाहिँ तपाईँको त्यहाँ देखाएको र हाम्रो यहाँ मिलेको छैन कि मेबी बिकज अफ दिस विन्डोज यो अपग्रेड नभएर
विन्डोज 16 प्लस
एक
एडोब
दिन भयो।
एडोब 11 मा चाहिँ म चलाउँदैछु सर एडोब रिडर 11 मा चलाउँदा अपग्रेड गर्दा हुन्छ त्यसलाई यो एडोब भर्सनमै चलाउँदैछु यो जुन चाहिँ कल आउट छ हामीले यसरी जहाँबाट पनि गर्न सक्छ यो नक्साको मुनि हामीले कहीँ स्पेस छ राइट समवेयर वी हैव जस्ट ड्र्याग इट समवेयर हियर सो वी कैन जस्ट राइट चिल्ड्रन what do you see?
So यो यसको लागि विन्डोज 10 नै हुनुपर्छ सर
हैन यसको लागि त एडोब मात्रै चाहिन्छ विन्डोज 10 चाहिँदैन म्याम
ए ओके
So whatever you feel like writing here, the you can write here like this. And suppose you want to highlight something. Then we have got this oval shape. Can you see the oval shape which I'm clicking here? This
Sorry?
oval shape here, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
Can you hear? You see?
yes.
So you can just press on this and
Yeah.
you can circulate like
Yes.
around the kiri. Or if you want to have a rectangle, you can put a rectangle here.
So यसमा Adobe को कुन चाहिँ version
Right now I'm
हुनुपर्छ
using
sir?
Adobe 11 most probably.
11, okay. So up till which one के यस्तो हुन्छ?
11 मा चाहिँ काम गर्दैछ most probably others should be working ma'am. तपाईकोमा काम गरेन म्याम अहिले?
मेरो काम गरेन sir. I'm also trying to
And can you see the comment? Are you getting these things? कसैको माथि आउँछ, यसो माथि पनि आउँछ. कमेन्ट को माथि पनि आउँछ कुनै एडोबमा चाहिँ.
सर एडोब कुन चाहिँ हो सर? त्यो इन्स्टल गर्ने अलिकति गरिहालौँ होइन? त्यहाँदेखि ट्राई गर्नुहुन्छ कि?
तपाईको डाउनलोड गर्नुपर्छ सर, टाइम लाग्छ होला. एडोब एक्रोबाट डाउनलोड गर्नु सिधै यसमा गएर गुगलमा.
मेरोमा त्यो एडोब एक्रोबाट रिडर डीसी भन्ने चाहिँ छ सर, त्यसबाट खोलिएको छ यो.
हजुर, त्यो 11 छ, नयाँ भर्सन छ. न त पुरानो अनइन्स्टल भर्सन हाल्नु.
ओके सर, ओके हुन्छ सर.
Okay. So this I think you can try later on, no problem. You can download and see. Comment masa and the tapaiको options case. Suppose if we can see here in this oval, suppose I have given a blue color here. So if you want to change the color, you just right click on this. You can see the tool default properties. Can you see here on my screen?
Yes,
My
sir.
cursor is there.
Yes, yes.
Can you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you just click on that.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So you can see the line. If you want to line, kunche line, dotted line, straight line, curved line. So options are there, and thickness of your cursor is also there. So यहाँ मैले 0.4 point गरेको छु. So if you feel that you have to a 5.6 point thick गर्नु सकिन्छ. And the color of the this thing color पनि यहाँ I had given blue color. So if I have to change the color,
हजुर मेरोमा चाहिँ माथि रहेछ सर.
माथि छ, कसैको माथि आउँछ त्यो. So
हजुर.
color is there. So suppose I want to give a red color. So I have given this color. Then fill option जुन चाहिँ भित्र सेतो थियो, यहाँ चाहिँ नो कलर थियो, भित्र कलर हाल्नु सकिन्छ. सो यसलाई चाहिँ नो फिलर राख्दिँदा हुन्छ. नो कलरमा छ यो भित्रको चाहिँ जुन चाहिँ यो छ. Then you can just click it OK. So just अहिले मैले कलर चेन्ज गरे. So now if I go here, if I draw, you can see the color has changed. Even the thickness has increased. Can you see? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, we can see. we
Yes,
can
sir.
see.
So this is how we can change. So anywhere
Yes,
you
sir.
just, whatever you want to change the properties, you just right click on that particular thing. Tool default property will come. So you can change the color. You can see the color is there. You can change the color. You can change the thickness. Everything you can do it. And यहाँ एउटा pencil छ. Pencil is a free hand tool. Pencil click गरे भने चाहिँ तपाईले आफ्नो हातले ड्र्याग गरेपछि यसरी बनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ.
Okay.
पेन्सिल गरे भने चाहिँ आफ्नो हातले गर्दैछ, हामीले ह्यान्ड टुलले गर्दैछ यसरी. This is how we can do. So while teaching, these are very important because when we need to highlight, where we need to write, so these are very important things. That's why I thought of taking this. Suppose I want to teach Rupa and the ginger field, so I'm just highlighting this. Suppose you want to tell the child that you are going to talk about the banana leaves. Have you seen a banana leaf? Then you can just go around to the banana leaf and just you can circle it. यसलाई अलिक ठुलो सानो इसी गर्न सकिन्छ. ड्र्याग गरेर अलिकति हामीले कर्नर ड्र्याग गरे भने चाहिँ यो ठुलो सानो भइहाल्छ. So I hope this part is clear. Editing on the PDF. And this file can be saved. You can just go to the file or you can.
Rajiv sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
could you go first beginning?
Beginning of this particular.
Beginning तपाईं कहाँदेखि खोल्नु भयो फर्स्टमा? त्यो एप्स देखि?
Comment. You can see the comment here. Right side ma.
No,
Tools,
no,
fill,
not
sign
here.
and comment.
अनि यहाँ होइन फर्स्टमा जति बेला फर्स्टमा खोल्नु भयो तपाईँ फर्स्ट इन द बिगिनिङ व्हेन यु ओपन
So you can, I think you can choose any PDF file.
Any PDF.
Yes,
Choose
yes.
any
सर
PDF.
एप्सबाट खोल्नु भयो नो एप्सबाट आउनु भयो कि तपाईँ यो माई कम्प्युटरदेखि आउनु भयो त्यही कुरा भयो सोधेको
होइन भर्खर जुन चाहिँ PDF सेभ भएको डेस्कटपमा
म भन्छु ल राजीव
Omik sir,
सर
तपाईको-
त्यो होइन हामीसँग
हजुर।
अघि त्यो नेटवर्क प्रब्लम भएर ओबिएस तपाईँले यो डाइरेक्ट गिभन
राजीव सर, तपाईँ
ओबिएस
OBS
डाउनलोड गरे हामीले सर त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ हामी कहाँ जानु भन्ने सर मलाई पनि
And
त्यही problem
OBS we are
भयो।
not using. OBS you keep it there itself. We are not using
Oh,
OBS.
you are not using OBS?
No, we
Eh,
are not using OBS.
राजेश सर
Yes, हामी चाहिँ आधी मिस भयो
You are
राजेश
not
सर
in-
Yes,
राजेश
sir.
सर हेलो
Yes, sir.
एउटा
Hello, yeah, I can hear.
फर्स्टमा यहाँ कहाँदेखि आउनु भयो भन्नुहोस् त
एउटा लेसन एसेसमेन्ट त अर्कैबाट हुँदो रहेछ क्या हो
दिस पीसीबाट आउनु भयो पीसीबाट आउनु भयो तपाईँ सर
होइन सर पीसीबाट आएको छुइनँ सर
एप्सबाट ओबिएस एपबाट
OBS X चलाएको छुइनँ सर I'll just come
I'll
to
tell-
this.
गर्नु भएन फर्स्टमा एउटा पीडीएफ फाइल खोल्यो उसको पछाडि ओके
Okay.
भौमिक सर
Okay, can you see my screen now?
यस सर
yes yes we can see
या
So today's first agenda was making a PDF page. So this we did.
okay
Okay.
Okay.
So हामीले OBS we have not yet started on the OBS. I just told you to download the OBS. We'll come to the OBS at the end of this, all this, because OBS is the final recording part. So today's
Okay.
first agenda was
ओके
making a PDF. So which we did. हामीले यो गरे. We
yes
I took out the class 3 EVS book and we made a PDF page.
yes
Is this clear?
clear sir clear
Okay.
यस सर
Yeah. Now, second
Yes, sir.
thing is what we are doing right now. We are editing on a PDF. This is what we are doing right now.
Hmm.
Rajiv sir,
Yes, ma'am.
I have a question. अघि तपाईँले त्यो कन्ट्रोल पी थिचेर चाहिँ जुन चाहिँ त्यो पेजेस सेलेक्ट गर्नुभयो नि
हजुर ma'am.
त्यसमा त अन्त यो अर्कै हो यो माने तपाईँको जुन चाहिँ अप्सन आयो हाम्रोमा मेरोमा त्यो आएन त सर
Microsoft to PDF आएन sir, ma'am.
होइन मेरोमा नि त्यो प्रिन्टरको अप्सन तीनटा मात्रै देखाउँदैछ जस्तै फ्याक्स एचपी लेजरजेट र माइक्रोसफ्ट एक्सपीएस डकुमेन्ट राइटर
Yeah, त्यसैलाई एकपल्ट ट्राई गर्नुहोस् न म्याम. कुलदीप सरको पनि त्यही देखाउँदैछ because I think your Windows is 8, I suppose 7 or 8.
8 हजुर 8 हो सो
That's why.
which one I have to choose माइक्रोसफ्ट
Microsoft to writer. Just choose.
ओके
Okay.
हुन्छ थ्याङ्क यू सर हुन्छ
Okay, so we have done first one we already did, making a PDF page. Right now we are on editing on a PDF. That was what I was showing actually. So Bhaumik sir, I think you are clear right now. Bhaumik sir.
ओके सर ओके क्यारी अन
Okay. So this
यस सर क्यारी अन सर
okay. Now we'll go to the last part, which is the screen recording on OBS.
okay
Okay.
okay
Okay.
भौमिक सर ओबिएस चाहिँ अब आयो
Now we'll start with OBS, all of you. Okay, now can you see my desktop?
yes
So we'll get a window like this. So if you could open yours also, you can see it. जो जसको खोलेको छ, they can open. Those who don't have, please don't open right now because it will take some time. So if you see this, the windows looks complicated. Actually, that is not complicated. It is actually multiplying. Same window is multiplying into different this thing windows actually. Okay, shall I start from here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So on the right side, can you see there are something called start streaming, start recording, studio mode, and settings.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Okay.
I चाहिँ मिल्यो
So
सर
start
and
streaming
below that,
is when we have to live. Yes, sir.
यस सर यस
yes,
अहिले
yes,
चाहिँ
there.
विन्डोज 8 र 10 को कुरा मिल्यो भनेको नि
Okay. So start streaming ma चाहिँ when we have to go live on YouTube, live on Facebook, we have to use this option as start streaming. So which we will not do right now because
Live.
for that we have to configure our this thing YouTube. So we'll talk about
Okay.
start recording actually. Okay. अब start recording करदा it will be recording the whole screen.
Okay, okay.
So now what I will do is that now I will go to again. Can you see something written here sources here? देख्नुहुँदैछ विन्डोमा
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sources, yes.
Sources.
sources.
यस
Sources.
सर सोर्सेस
So can you see the plus sign there in sources?
That's what one.
Plus
Here
sign.
minus sign here.
मुनि
Plus, minus.
Add,
मुनिपट्टि हेर्ने सर
Yes,
प्लस
yes,
माइनस
plus,
सेटिङ्स
हजुर plus and minus here.
add, right, sir?
Yeah,
Add.
plus and minus. So plus sign we click on the plus sign here. So something opens like this: audio input capture, audio output capture, browser, color source, display capture. So right now हाम्रो सबै ल्यापटपमा चाहिँ आफ्नो आफ्नो क्यामेरा छ आफ्नो आफ्नो माइक्रोफोन छ so we are not going to do anything with audio input capture.
ओके सर
ओके किन भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ हाम्रो अलरेडी छ तर अब सपोज हामीले एक्सटर्नल माइक लाउँदैछ एक्सटर्नल माइक लाउँदैछ थर्ड पार्टी क्यामेरा लाउँदैछ भने सो त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ हामीले के गर्नु अडियो इनपुट क्याप्चरमा जानुपर्छ सो आज दिस आई विल नट टेक इट बिकज राइट नाउ वी आर इन द बेसिक लेभल use the camera of the laptop and mic of the laptop as our audio and video input. Is this clear?
Sir, voice
Yes,
crack
sir.
हुँदैछ.
Okay, right now can you hear?
अलिक बुझेन सर.
So we are going to plus sign here. We click on the plus sign. On the plus sign, we get so many options here. Okay, so what I was telling you
Yes, sir.
that
Yes.
option, can you see audio input capture is there?
Yes.
Okay, so we are not doing anything because already our laptop has audio input capture. Audio means the mic is the audio input capture. So since we have a already installed mic in the laptop, we are not going to do anything here.
Okay.
त्योबाट चाहिँ भयो कि सर जस्तो लाग्यो
Okay, now we'll come. Just I'll do it. Take 5-10 minutes. That's all. Okay. Then we'll stop it. Okay. Now once you come to this plus sign, I was going to this plus sign. तपाईले यहाँ देख्नुहुँदैछ. Can you see the display capture here on my browser? Okay, so we just click
Yes,
on this.
sir.
So by default, I'm getting display capture 5. So I can just write anything. I can write a demo here. So demo 1, I'll write it here. So I'll put it okay. So if I see the display capture, it shows my windows here. Okay, I'll just put in okay here. I think this is clear. Just plus sign display capture. Then you get a automatic option. I just change into demo 1. Is this clear? I'll just go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now after that, again we go to the plus sign. Then we see something called video capture device. Can you see here? Video capture device.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'll click on this. So video capture device, by default it has come device 4 because I already have 2-3 devices here. So I'll just click this OK. So if I see my device here, it is an integrated web camera. So nothing to be done here. We'll just click OK here. Is this fine? Can you listen, all of you? Any one of you can just answer me. Aruna ma'am?
Yes, sir, I'm listening. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so first we did display capture, okay. Then we did video capture, okay. That's all. Now what we'll do is we'll minimize the window. Sorry. Now we go to start recording. So can you see the option is start recording here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll just start
Yes, sir.
recording.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'll minimize. Now whatever is shown on the screen is started recording right now. Okay, so let's go to our original chapter, Plant and Us. We'll go here. Suppose I want to teach. So let us give a demo. Let us, dear children, we are going to study about plants and us. And what about growing plants? And if we see these pictures here, can you come to this? Have you understand? So we'll just have a conversation. So whatever we are talking right now is being recorded on the screen actually. So if I have to show something here, let us study about, have you ever planted young trees in a school or at home like children in the picture? If yes, what did you plant? So something, so you can just give an answer on your own. I planted. You can write here, I planted a banana tree, something like this. So we can go with the classes like this here. So whatever you are doing here, we are talking about the leaves. Most plants have leaves. They have different colors and shape. So we can ask them, what is the color of this leaf? Can you see the color of this leaf? So after this, we can close this window. So we'll not save this file. Now we go to the, again to this OBS and we'll stop recording. So can you see this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have done a recording. So I'll just show you where our recording is here. So I've closed the window. So I go to my folder. So in videos, you can see my videos here. Can you see this small, this thing, icon here?
Yes,
So
sir.
now whatever we did has been recorded here. Recorded here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. हुँदो रहेछ. सर तर यो गर्दाखेरि अन्त क्यामेरा चाहिँ यो ल्यापटपकै युज हुन्छ कि अरू क्यामेरा एक्सटर्नल युज गर्न पनि मिल्छ सर?
यो ल्यापटपकै हुँदैछ सर अटोमेटिकली.
यसको चाहिँ त्यस्तो राम्रो रेजोल्युसन हुँदैन रहेछ नि तर फेरि सर त्यो
अनि स्क्रिन रेकर्डिङ चाहिँ राम्रै हुन्छ सर. हाम्रो फेस चाहिँ राम्रो हुँदैन.
ओके हाम्रो त जरुरी छैन स्क्रिन चाहिँ मेन हो है सर.
स्क्रिन त राम्रो हुन्छ सर. यसलाई 4K मा गर्न पनि सकिन्छ. राम्रै हुन्छ.
यस 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 सर.
राजीव सर.
यस सर. यस म्याम.
हेलो राजीव सर सुन्नुहोस् न हामीले यो फोनमा पनि गर्दा हुन्छ कि हुँदैन फोनबाट चाहिँ?
यो ओबिएस चाहिँ फोनको लागि त्यति राम्रो छ नि, ल्यापटपमा राम्रो छ म्याम. फोनको त अस्तिको एउटा रेकर्डिङ हामीले गरेको थियो, चलिहाल्छ.
पेजलेट रेकर्डरको?
हजुर हजुर.
ए हजुर हजुर.
फ्री हैन, यो चाहिँ फ्री र बेस्ट चाहिँ यो हो.
ए हुन्छ
Yeah, normally
हुन्छ
PDF के file निकाल्नु छ laptop will be very easy actually.
हजुर
We can take lot of, we can show PPT.
हजुर हुन्छ 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 थ्याङ्क यू सर
So was it clear this one? Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'll take one more demo. So yeah, so we can, show one more demo. Let's go through a PowerPoint. Sometimes because we are taking a PowerPoint. So same way we'll start one more, then we'll stop for the day. So again, go back to the OBS Studio. Then again we take the plus sign.
So after download, sir, after download the apps, we'll.
Yes, sir.
So after download the apps, then we have one more Google Meet.
Sure. We'll do that. Okay, so one more demo I'll show you here because now you can see my face also here.
Okay.
Go to start recording here. So let us say if you have a, I have a PPT here. So I'll just take a demo. So we are going to have a presentation on Pragyata. So something like this, we are recording here. So
सर अलिकति रिवाइन्ड गरिदिनुहोस् न कहाँबाट पस्नुभयो सर PPT मा चाहिँ
PPT मैले खोले फाइलै खोले सर फोल्डरमा यसबाट हो डेस्कटपमा थियो मेरोमा नर्मल त
ओके अन्त OBS मा गएर चाहिँ कता क्लिक गर्नुभयो सर त्यसमा अन्त
हैन OBS बाट यु डु स्टार्ट रेकर्डिङ
ओके देन यु गेट इन्टु PPT
या
है सर
स्टार्ट रेकर्डिङ गरेपछि OBS लाई मिनिमाइज गरिदिनुहोस् माथिको माइनस मिनिमाइज गरेपछि नर्मल तपाईको यु ओपन योर डेस्कटप तपाईले जसै खोल्नुहुन्छ देन स्टार्ट्स रेकर्डिङ so this recorded actually so if we see like whatever we are doing on a PowerPoint will be getting recorded. So categories of household devices, so whatever things are there, this all things whatever we are showing here will be recorded on the OBS. PPT is the best way actually. Here already we have made some content very much ready made, no? So we just need to talk on that points and we just need to do. Stop it here. Yes, ma'am.
Through this software नि recording मात्रै हुन्छ कि editing पनि गर्न सकिन्छ सर
Okay, editing we are not doing today. Editing I will take it later on because this is only for recording.
No, through this software sir.
Yeah, this will only do recording.
Oh, okay.
Editing I have thought of next class because all together because once we have recorded something, it has to be edited also. So that I will take in the next session someday.
Okay, sure sir.
So now we did one recording. So I'll just show that what we have recorded here. So we go to the videos. So your second recording is my Ali Barker. So you can see here. So I'll just take a video so we are going to have a presentation on something like this. Start recording. Oh, okay.
साउन्ड चाहिँ क्लियर आउँदैन रहेछ सर है
Thank you.